Alright, so for the first program we will go over, it is called OBS, or Open Broadcaster Software. This is the heart of the operation here. To download it, just type in OBS download into Google. It should be the first link saying OBS download at the website obsproject.com. Click the Windows icon and then click Download Installer. Once it finishes downloading, click on it, then follow the prompts to install it. The last program we are getting is called XSplit. One word, XSplit. And pretty much the same as the other ones, just type it into Google, XSplit download, and that should be the first link. XSplit can do a number of things. For one, it can remove your background, so that way it's just you and that's it, there's nothing behind you. And it can also put different things behind you, so that just different stock pictures like a couch or different nature scenes, things like that.